Hello everyone, my name is Jeel Patel and I'm from College. So today we are going to learn the Python script, which is a simplified inventory and employee management system with a console-based interface. Here's a brief explanation of its functionality. Let's start with the menu display, which is the display underscore menu. We created a function that displays the menu of options for the user to choose from. We have 5 options, and also we created a box around so it could look good. We can just look it all now. There you go. Here's the box which is created. Then we go for the create employee section. The create employee section allows you to add on new employees as well, or as well we can also see the built-in functions which I have already created inside. I have already created one list, and if I want to add any function, then also I can add it from choosing create employee, which is number 1. I have to enter employee ID. Supposingly I did it for 10. Employee name as Shazzy, and I have to choose between the hourly or manager. Now, if I don't write it properly, then it will display the error. I have to choose from either hourly or manager. So if I write manager, then the number of years worked. Suppose I have worked for 1 year, and then the employee discount number, whichever you want to choose. And then it will ask for another employee to add on, which is basically the user input details for new employees such as ID, name, type, hours, years worked, and employee discount number. It checks for duplicate IDs and ensure the valid IDs for the input. So here it is, which will append the list with a new one. It will ask for another employee ID. If you want to add another, then you can just write yes, or either else you write no. If it will write no, then this will break and it will return to the employee list. Now, if we want to see the employee list that it is appended or not, we just have to write no over here, and then we can go for the next function first. Yeah, so the next function is the create item function. So the create item is the user input details. It takes the user input details from new items such as item number, name, and the cost. If the same number we write it down, we have to use any other different number. So if we write the same number, if the user enters the same number, then it will create a default print that the number already exists and we have to write any other number. So it basically input the details what new employees, such as their if they want to take away any item, then it will append. It's the same, and then we return to the calculate discount employee. So to calculate the discount, if we have 2 options for the manager and for the hourly pay. Discount for the manager works as the years works discount. It means whichever employee it is, it's the years worked discount plus manager discount, and then 100 minus employees, then it's 200 minus employees. It returns for hourly and work managers both as well. Then we go for the prompt purchase, or we can also say it as make purchase. We can write it's just a function to call. Okay, so this prompt purchase function guides the user through making a purchase, including selecting items from the inventory, entering the quantities of the items, that how many do you want to take away, and then calculating the total cost before and after discounts, and updating the employee purchase records, which we have it over here, that the total purchase is 0 at the starting, and after running this, if we enter any items which any employee takes out, then it will change from 0 to whatever we have chosen. Now the main function runs the whole code. It's display employee summary. This one will be, as we can also say it, that this one shows the output. It shows the employee ID, employee name, employee type, years worked, total purchase, total discount, employee discount number, everything. And it will also be printed in a box. We can see that we have already created a list, like I have created a list, the employee list and the item list, just to make sure that if we want to run the code directly to checkout, we can just run it from here. It's showing that if the choice is number 1, then we have to do the create employee, because in the display menu we have like 5 different choices, right? So for the first choice we have to run the create employee function, then for the second choice the create item, then third choice make purchase, it will ask the users more questions, and then for the fourth all employee summary, it will print all employees summary, and if we want to change anything then we can do again the whole thing. And for fifth it will be exit, or we can say in the, okay, we change the name, the prompt purchase with make purchase. Now we will run the program and check if it works properly. Yeah, it does. Okay, if I enter the choice number 1 to create the employees, it will ask for the employee ID. Suppose I have done number 10 for employee ID, the name, I wrote one random name. If I do it as a manager, and then total years worked is 6, enter employee discount number, I did it for 85, the discount number, and then it asks for adding another employee. If we want to do it, then we have to do yes, or if we don't want to do it, then we just have to do a no. Then again we have to try for the create item number 2. So if we try the number 2 choice, it asks for enter item number. Item number, we have like 20 items. I can add item number 21, whichever I want to choose. Would be a table desk for the computer. Item cost, supposingly it will be $250. And if we want to add another item, then we just have to do yes and then enter. And again 22, item thing, supposingly I did for the mouse pad, and the item cost is $35. Now I'll do again to do this for the iPad. If I say no other item, this created for the valid value item. If I write the cost rather than any integer, see, supposedly I did a backslash, not by choice, it was a mistake, but it created me a valid value error. So I have to write the whole thing again. I changed it, I read it. If I say the no, it will again prompt me to the box which I have to choose for. Then we will try for the make purchase number 3. For making purchase, it will give me the list of items for sale. First of all, see, it is already appended number 21 and number 23 over on within the list which we already had just for 20. It is already updated for 23. Now if I enter the employee ID number 1, and let's say that the employee ID number 1, which we have it over here, the name David Salvatore, and the discount number, which is 101. Let's check for that as well. Yeah, the discount number is 101 for that. The item number to purchase, we have to choose it from item number from here to the last, from 1 to 23. If I do like number 20, how many items do I want to purchase? It's the enter quantity number. The quantity, supposedly, if I want 50, and then another purchase. Yes, I want to do another purchase. If I want to do number 5th item, which is the phone, if I enter that, okay, this one's the employee ID number 5. Discount number will be 1 of 5, and item number to purchase number 5 again, and then the quantity 20 supposedly, and then no, it will come here again. Now it asks for make purchase. Now to see it in the all employee summary list, number 4, let's see what it's supposing. Okay, so here we go. We will have all the employee IDs, employee name, employee type, years worked, total purchase, total discounts, employee discount number. It's already updated that we did it for number 1 and number 5. It's total purchase and the total discount. It's all done. And basically, the display employee summary prints a summary table of all employees, including their ID, name, type, years worked, and total purchase amount, total discounts, and employee discount number. Now, if we want to exit the whole code, we just need to enter the choice number 5, which will give us this output, the exiting program, which we already printed upside. It's here. So like this, you can just create a simple table, and you can add on from the user input, and the script simply provides interface for managing employees and the inventory. Thank you.